Thursday, August 29th, 6:27 p.m. New York time. Welcome to Winning Wall Street's Money. Today, one of the U.S. government agencies released the data on home sales. It's been a while since I went over those stocks. So we'll go over that industry, the real estate industry. And in that industry, there are 13 industries. So this morning, 10 a.m., pending home sales. The prior report was 4.8%. They expected 0.2%, which was still less than this previous. And the actual results were negative 5.5. It's a big hit. Big difference in what they forecast and what actually occurred. Yep, home sales slowed down a lot. Now, this is nationwide. If you go state by state, county by county, it's not going to match up. Yep, you got some strong regional parts of the United States and other ones that are weaker, one as it expects. But again, that's home sales. I want to go broad real estate. So first we'll look at real estate residential construction. Each chart we're looking at here is weekly time frame. Yep, each candle is weekly. So we have 5 years of history in real estate residential construction. DHI. Look at this. All-time high for the past 5 years. Outstanding. They are building homes like no tomorrow. So big difference than what you might think. They're making huge profits. Next, LEN. Again, this year, all-time highs for the past 5 years. Strong like bull. Builders are doing outstanding. Next one, November Victor Romeo, same thing. That's a big price up there too. Look at that. Wow. And PHM, Pulte, also outstanding. There's the bottom for the past 5 years. Here we are now. They're making record highs. Amazing. Toll Brothers, Tango Oscar Lima, another one, rocket ship. Wow, amazing. Next one, Tango Mike Hotel Charlie. In the end, it's all-time high for the past 5 years. Mike Tango Hotel, Raj Homes, also look at that record high this year. Wow, impressive. KB Home, stock symbol KBH, all-time high. Impressive. And IBP, yep, look at that past 5 years, outstanding. Strong. Again, some of these home builders have bigger presence throughout the United States, some are less. Let's look at some more of these residential real estate construction companies. Sky, Sierra Kilo, Sierra Kilo, Yankee, all-time high, impressive. Mike Delta Charlie, there's the all-time high back there for the past 5 years, but Interesting here. The big move up. Look at that little range now. But overall, starting to see a similar pattern for all these. They are all at the all-time highs. Yeah, Tango Papa Hotel, all-time high. Lima Golf India November. Big difference. Here's the high for the past 5 years, and look at them. They're struggling. Hmm. Might want to look into that deeper, see what they're doing wrong compared to the other ones. Charlie Victor, Charlie Oscar, yep, all-time high. Wow. So with high interest rates, high value homes, they're still making huge gains. Charlie, Sierra, Goff, Romeo, Bravo, Kilo, also low, all-time high. Impressive. I wonder if they're doing better than the mortgage companies. Another one, Mike Hotel Oscar, Delta Foxtrot Hotel. They did make the high for this year and went down. So overall, though this industry, real estate, residential construction, is strong like bull. And you just looked at a whole bunch of builders, a lot of them. Let's go on to the next. We look at real estate, RIT, healthcare facilities. They're similar to like an ETF, but they pay dividends, I believe. Recall. Okay, specifically healthcare facilities. Victor Tango Romeo. Oh, there's a high for the past 5 years. Again, it's a huge consolidation of their interest. That's just one. Let's get to look at more. Oscar Hotel, India. Yep. So it is up high for this year, but not at the high for the past 5 years. Hotel Romeo, excuse me. There's a high for the past 5 years. Well, they're struggling. Hmm. Maybe they're too expensive for people to afford the services. Mike Papa Whiskey, I'm very depressing. Look at this. Wow. Yeah. So this industry within real estate, healthcare facilities, well, maybe more people are taking care of their family at home instead of sending them away. Delta Oscar Charlie. You see right there again, high, low. I'm not impressed with this industry, but the first one, absolutely. Whiskey, Echo, Lima, Lima. Yeah, they're all time high. Wow. There we go. Better than the other ones. Sierra, Bravo, Romeo, Alpha. Yep, big difference. There's a high for the past 5 years. So they are right now, almost half the price. November, Hotel India. Hope they're doing better since the beginning of the year. Wow, this one's also impressive. Yep. Charlie, Tango, Romeo, Echo. So overall, a lot of them are near the highs of the year, but not the highs for the past 5 years. So that's healthcare facilities. Big difference than we have with the real estate construction. Hmm. So now let's look at hotel and motel. Hotel Sierra Tango. That's a lot of whistle here. Not impressed. Romeo Hotel Papa. Yeah, not impressed with them neither. And Alpha Papa Lima Echo. Nope, not impressed. Yes, I should include Airbnb stock too. Yep. Not really. Well, maybe. Sierra Hotel Oscar. Yep. Not impressed. So this hotel motel is not, this industry is not looking good. Nope. Papa Echo Bravo. Delta Romeo Hotel. Nope. There's a 5 years. Romeo Lima India. Really bad for the year. Look at that. They're the low of the year. X-Ray Hotel Romeo. Nope. Very disappointing on this one. Sierra Victor Charlie. Oh, wow. Almost back in the 5 year low. Very disappointing. Again, that's hotel motel industry. Just one of the several industries in the real estate. Not impressive. Next is the real estate RIT industry. Industrial. Industrial. Did I pronounce that right wrong? Help me out. Papa Lima Delta. And very disappointing. It's not even back at the highs yet. Nope. This year, disappointing. Papa Sierra Alpha. Public storage. Yep. Wow. There's the high for the past 5 years. There's a low near the high this year. So they're making a lot of money. People still feel a need to buy more than they need on a daily basis and pay to have it stored somewhere else offsite. Wow. Papa Lima Delta Golf Papa. Echo X-Ray Romeo. Extra space storage. Wow, what a whipsaw here. But near the highs of the year. Lima Sierra India Life Storage. It's making a comeback. Romeo Echo X-Ray Romeo. Nope, disappointing. And some of these may not be a strong presence in certain states. Charlie Uniform Bravo Echo, that high for the year. Charlie Oscar Lima Delta. Nope, not impressed. Wow. V pattern that might fill. Interesting. Echo Golf Papa. Said, here's a high for the past 5 years. Here we are now. Oh, certainly not impressed with the real estate RIT. Well, on to the next. So that was the industrial. Now we'll go to the office. Everybody, let's get in the car. Come on, kids, get in the car. Go into the office. Wait, wait. Office. Alpha Romeo Echo. Yeah, very disappointing. What are you expecting? Since that virus came, a lot of companies changed their business model, having people work remote. Bravo X-Ray Papa near the high of the year. Victor November Oscar near the high of the year. So they're definitely making a comeback. Looks like a cup and pattern handle. Interesting. That's looking nice. Kilo Romeo Charlie are really weak. Charlie Uniform Zulu to the highs of the year. Oscar, Foxtrot, Charlie. Nope, that's looking disappointing. Again, not surprised with the office sector. Sorry, the office industry. Delta, Echo, India, very disappointing. Look at that. Wow, really struggling the past 2 years. Hotel, India, whiskey. Wow, nice turnaround. The lows of last year took off like a rocket ship. Looked like it already passed this high. Yeah. Delta, Echo, Alpha. Nope, very disappointing down here. Again, that was the real estate office industry. Let's go to the next. Residential now. Alpha, Victor, Bravo. There's a high for the past 5 years. Up strong this year. Echo, Quebec, Romeo, up strong this year too. Wow, they are making nice runs. Uniform, Delta, Romeo, again, up strong for this year. Let's go. Only have 3 of them in there. So that was, again, residential real estate. And now we do retail. What are you expecting out of retail? Sierra, Papa, Golf, up strong this year. Coming back up to that swing high. Oscar, wow, just one stock letter. Up strong this year. Hilo, India, Mike, up strong this year. Remember this weekly candle you see tomorrow at 4 p.m. New York, we're going to be completed. Romeo, Echo, Golf, up strong. Foxtrot, Romeo, Tango, yep, up strong for this year. So makes you wonder, are they raising the rents? Are they having a higher occupancy in their properties? When's the last time I've been to a mall? Oh, God. November, up strong this year. Hilo, Lima, Papa, Echo, Foxtrot. Again, ends in F, 5th letter. Foreign company. Bravo, Romeo, X-ray. Wow, up strong this year. Alpha, Delta, Charlie. Again, super strong. Wow. Interesting. So that industry, the retail, is up strong this year. Now we'll go to the specialty industry for real estate. Alpha, Mike, Tango, also up strong this year. Again, it's not at the high for the past 5 years, but it is up strong this year. Echo, Quebec, India, X-ray. No, that's looking terrible. Charlie, Charlie, India. No. That one did twice. Doc, dollar, sorry, Delta Lima Romeo. Wow, a lot of pump and dumps here. Sierra Bravo Alpha Charlie. Oh, way below the highs of this. Not impressed. Yeah, they got a turnaround now here. A lot of whipsaw up here. Way a lot. Not impressed. Whiskey, Yankee. Nope. Really. India Romeo Mike. Hmm. We must have had some history on this in the past. Golf Lima Papa India. Oh, I'm strong for this year. Oh, now I think I know why I had notes on another one. Lima Alpha Mike India Romeo. I'm strong this year. So that's a specialty one. I think that one I cleared just a moment ago was something with deceased. Hmm. All right, let's continue. Development, real estate development industry now. Overall, you see quite a few of these industries in real estate up high for the year. Wow. Foxtrot, Oscar, Romeo. Not this one. Alpha Romeo, Lima. Oh, looking disappointing. Alpha X-Ray Romeo. A lot of whipsaw on there. Wow. Remember, these companies have a huge correlation with the yields, aka interest rates. Echo, Quebec, India, X-Ray. A lot of whipsaw over here past few years. Not impressed. Charlie, Sierra, Goff, Papa. Yeah, bro. Near the lows of the year. Disappointing. Sierra, Bravo, Alpha, Charlie. Yep, very disappointing in the past 5 years. Goff, Lima, Papa, India. Yep, nothing impressive here. Hotel, Sierra, Tango. Nope, way below the highs of this year. Romeo, Echo, Goff, up strong this year. So again, that's the development industry, the real estate. And the next, oops, diversified, almost done. For some reason, these were not on the 5 year, they were on the 3 year. That's why I'm doing this. Hotel, Charlie, Howard Hughes Corporation. Wow. Very disappointing on this one. Yep. Tight consolidation range. Nothing impressive here on the upside. Nope. Julia Oscar Echo. Nope. Wow. There's a high from the prior year. A lot of whipsaw here. Nothing steady. And Sierra Tango Romeo Sierra. Wow. Not impressed. Look at that. Well, just swing high and dumped. That was the diversified real estate. Let's look at that last one. Real estate services. Charlie, Sierra, Golf, Papa. Okay, something appears like some of these are showing up more than once. Why is that? Charlie, Bravo, Romeo, Echo up strong for the year. Bravo, Echo, Kilo, Echo. Garbage. Juliet, Lima, Lima up strong this year. As soon as it broke above this high of last year, it just took off like a rocket ship. Foxtrot, Sierra, Victor up strong for this year since it broke above that. Nice retracement. Look at that. So like higher lows, higher highs. Yep. So it's like a channel. It is a channel and a strong wedge to the upside. Charlie, India, Golf, India up strong this year. Delta, Bravo, Romeo, Golf. Garbage. Wow. Yep. Not impressed. Tango, Charlie, November. Nope. Kilo whiskey. For the past 5 years, look at that. It's in the low of the years. Garbage. So that was the service. Big difference when you look at all these industries in real estate. Some of them are so impressive, especially the builders. And then some of them are just garbage. Again, real estate is very diversified. Actually, let me include the sector stock ETF. Remember, S&P 500 has 11 sectors. Oops. There we go. I'll look at the 5-year weekly. So we're looking at one of the sectors in the S&P 500 is real estate, XLRE. And look at this for the past 5 years. So new high for the year. Actually, this week we made a new high for the year. We're not at the high for the past 5 years. Here's a high for the past 5 years. But comparing this sector, stock ETF, we've seen several industries within the real estate outperforming this. That was the first two I showed you. Wow, they are performing better than this. Impressive. Who else is reporting this that I'm showing this? I'm not aware of anybody doing the diversification that I just showed you physically of the charts to back them up of where the strength is. Impressive. So all those you can invest in, they're all in the stock market, or you could just do the stock sector I showed you. But why would you? Why would you do XLE? I just show you there's industries that are more impressive within the real estate than just that one. Lots of opportunities. Thank you for taking the time watching this video. That's it. Thank you.